Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to check the US visa status online. Now, before I proceed, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications icon, that's the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Also, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to smash the like button so that more people get to see this video. And also, please feel free to share so that more people get to see this. Now, you've done your application, you've gone for interview, and the interview was successful. Now the next step is you've gotten the slip and they ask you to submit your passport, and you've submitted the passport and you're thinking, so how do I check if my visa is out or not, or is ready or not? Now this is how to go about it. I'll be showing you the step-by-step method on how to go about this. Now, as you know, I like being practical, so I'll be getting on my system now to show you how this is done step by step, so you don't have to worry about making mistakes. Now follow me to my system, let me show you how it's done. Hello guys, welcome back. So like I said, so to check, all you just have to do is come to Google and search how to check US visa status online. So once you click that, you wait for the page to load, then you can now look out for this or come to this URL, ceac.state.gov/CAC start tracker, but let me just go to the URL. As you can see, you can just come to this URL directly, ceac.state.gov/CEAC start tracker/status.aspx. So once you come to this page, the first step you want to do is click on non-immigrant visa. So once you click on the non-immigrant visa, select location. Let's say I'm in Nigeria, then I'll select the, in Nigeria there is the Lagos and there's Abuja. So you select the one that applies. So now, application ID or case number. Now that is your, so just this can be sometimes confusing for a lot of people. Now this is usually the your DS-160 confirmation code. So as you can see, it gives an example, AA whatever. So in my case it is AA. I will type this there, but let me just blur this information so that D4X. So then I'll click on submit. Then I'll wait for it to load. As you can see, application received. Application or case number is this. Case created 8th July. Case last updated 8th July. Your case is open and ready for your interview, fingerprint, and required documents. If you have already had your interview, please check your visa status after 2 business days. If the interview was required, please check back in 2 business days. So now, basically, this is what you would get. So just to, check. And most of the time you get an email telling you to come for pickup. Now that's how to go about this. So if you need more questions, inquiries, or more information, please feel free to drop a message. I'll be more than happy to respond to all your questions. And if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly smash the like button, click on the subscription button, and also don't forget to click on the notifications icon so that you don't get to miss posts like this. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.